Welcome to our installation guide video. We would like to provide you with a detailed guide on how to install the camera light pole. This video focuses on Type 1, camera light poles with reinforced concrete, standing at a height of 14 feet. Step 1. Dig a hole to bury the lower post. The hole size for the lower post is 20 inches by 20 inches. The depth is calculated by 10% of the total height plus 24 inches. Step 2. Place the rebar, the lower post, and electrical wires into the hole. We used 13 to 15 bags of 80 pounds of 4,000 psi concrete. The raised part of the concrete platform helps protect the camera light pole from large vehicles, such as commercial lawn mowers, lawn equipment. Step 3. Install the top pole. And we have completed the installation of the camera light pole Type 1. After that, you can install any type of surveillance and lighting equipment you need. Advantages of our camera light poles with reinforced concrete: the product is optimized and easy to install. Saves time and money. Mounted many kind of surveillance and lighting equipment. For more information or to order, please contact us via the hotline or website attached below.